The Heights is the kind of neighborhood that makes you want to stay in the city. Just minutes from downtown Houston and some of the city's best restaurants, breweries, parks, and local hotspots, this area has quickly become one of Houston's most desirable places to live. And now 3 brand new construction homes are getting ready to hit the market. Featuring modern design, open concept layouts, stylish finishes, and all the benefits of new construction. If you would like more information on this home, please reach out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be one of the first to be notified of all of our latest listings.